Conversion of energy, glow stick by Liam. Before, this is what the glow sticks looked like before they got cracked. During, this is what it looked like when we were cracking it. After, this is what the glow stick looked like after they were cracked. Definitions: potential energy, energy that is stored. Chemical energy, energy that is stored in a substance and released during a chemical reaction. Light energy, a type of radiant energy. Human want or need. This would be a human need because if you have one, you could see in the dark, and it would be a want because you could use them for fun. Conclusion. In this lab, I learned that when you crack the glow stick, they make a cracking noise, and there are two different chemicals mixing together to create light. I really enjoyed this lab. The end.